Hey Soccer Stars, it's Coach Kevin. Today we're going to have a super fun video called SoccerStars Summer Games. And today we have all of our coaches back together. We have Coach Hugo. Hi Soccer Stars. We have our big brother, Coach CJ.
Hey guys.
And we have our little sister, Coach Haley.
Hi guys.
Alright Soccer Stars, now we're going to pretend that our soccer ball, it has a super hot area on it, okay? Now on this soccer ball, we're going to pretend it's these blue stars. It's going to be super hot. See, we're going to touch it. Now in soccer, we don't use our hands, okay? We use our stinky feet.
Okay, Soccer Stars, now we're going to do our coach's drum. Let's play some music with our hands. Put your hand out flat.
Like a piece of pizza.
The other hand, make a whole fist. We're going to smash down our pizza. Now on the count of 3, we're going to say Coach Kevin in a mouse voice.
Gotta be really, really sticky. 1, 2, 3. Coach Kevin.
Good job. All right, this time, let's do it in a friendly monster voice. Now, if you scare me, I'm going to run away. I want you to try to catch me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Coach Kevin. Ah! Okay, Soccer Stars, now we're going to warm up our legs by doing some lunges. Okay, now lunges is where you bend your leg and you put your knee almost to the ground. And then you switch and you go all the way with the other leg. So I'm gonna do some lunges this way. Ready? Do it with me.
All right, Soccer Stars, so the skill of the week is dribbling. So I'm going to teach you how to dribble, and here in Soccer Stars, we call them tocks. So here you go. You want to keep the ball really close to your feet. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Just like the clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick. You want to keep it really close to your feet. Don't let it get away.
Good job. Okay, Soccer Stars, for our games this week, our SoccerStars Summer Games, we're going to do some fun games that you can do with a family member.
It's summertime.
So grab your brother, sister, dad, dog, mom, whoever, so you can practice some games with us. Now you need a friend because all these games are going to be super fun to do at home with a family member. Okay, Soccer Stars, our first game is called Sleeping Dino. Over here, we have a dinosaur. She's asleep. Check out her pillow, it's really cool. Now our Soccer Stars over here are going to use their TikToks. They're going to go close to the dino. Now if the dino wakes up, you got to freeze. Put your foot on your ball, trap it, make sure it doesn't move. Now keep your ball really close. If the dinosaur wakes up and says,
I'm gonna eat your pizza.
you have to do a pullback and run back to your safe zone. All right, let's play.
I'm gonna eat your pizza. I'm gonna eat your pizza.
Alright, Soccer Stars, our next game is surfers and crabs. Now, crabs, they love to pitch. They have little pitchers. I'm going to be a crab in the middle, okay? And I have my surfers over here. They are going to try and get from one beach all the way to the other without the crab pitching their ball, okay? So whenever the crab says go, the surfers are going to use their tocks and go across the ocean to the other beach, okay? Oh no. Uh-oh. Ah. Itch.
Alrighty, Soccer Stars. So the next game is called Wreck-It Ralph versus Fix-It Felix. Okay, and the way to play this game is, if you're Wreck-It Ralph, you want to destroy all of the cones or whatever you can use at home. And if you're Fix-It Felix, you have to fix the cones, okay? And our coaches here are going to show you exactly what to do.
Alright, Soccer Stars, now our next summer game, we're going to play a game called Foxes and Chickens. Here we have our fox. She is going to chase the chicken. Over here, Coach Haley is our chicken. Look at her tail. She's got a tail. Now, the point of this game is to keep your ball close to your feet, use your tocks, and try to pull the tail out of the chicken. Now, if you don't have your ball at your feet when you pull the tail, it doesn't count. Alright? Ready? Have fun.
Alright, Soccer Stars, now the next game we're going to play is Stuck in the Mud. Now, me and Coach Haley, we're going to be stuck in the mud, okay? Now, if I'm stuck, my feet are going to be spread apart like this. And the only way to unfreeze me is if one of my unfreezers, if they come over here and they kick their soccer ball through my legs. But to make sure it goes through my legs, they're always going to make sure they stop their ball first and then kick it, okay? Alright, now we're going to play.
since it's summertime, it's time to clean up our yard. So how we're gonna do this is you're gonna kick your ball out of your yard, and when it comes back, you kick it again until your yard is all clean.
I don't want to hear yard. Kick that. Kick it. Oh, kick it. Go. Go. There you go. Kick it. Kick it. Yeah. Get him out of here.
Oh, my yard's dirty.
Oh. Go get a kick. Oh.
Alright, Soccer Stars, it's really hot outside, so we're going to go score some goals. That's the best part of soccer. So, we're going to have Coach Hugo be the goalkeeper. I'm going to try to kick the ball past him. Ready?
Alright, Soccer Stars, so now we're going to teach you how to do a throw-in. Okay, so the way you want to do a throw-in is keep your feet together on the ground. Pretend that they're stuck in mud or on a piece of gum and you can't move them. Okay, feet together, ball behind your head, and when you throw it, you want to aim for their feet, okay? Not their head, their feet. And our two coaches, Coach CJ and Kevin, will show you how to do it.
Okay, Soccer Stars, now it's time for our cleanup song. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share.
Now we're gonna do it in a silly voice. Ready?
Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your share.
Good job, Soccer Stars. That was super fun. I'm glad you guys played our SoccerStars Summer Games with us. Now during this summer, make sure you play your videos, practice your soccer skills, and we hope you have the best summer ever. Can't wait till the schools are open again, and we'll see you real soon.